English speech on the 15th of August. All praises be to Allah, the creator of the worlds. May the blessings and peace be upon his Prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers. Upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience and beloved brothers. Today on this auspicious occasion, I am going to deliver speech on the topic of Indian Independence Day. As you know very well, it's the most important day for all Indian citizens. It's the day when we got freedom from British rule after many years' hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate this day every year on the 15th of August for the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters and our ulema who sacrificed their lives for making India free. Dear audience, today in all over India, there are many programs and celebrations are held in remembrance of our freedom fighters. But unfortunately, the role of Muslims and sacrifices of our ulema who sacrificed their lives for freedom are not mentioned anywhere. That's why, today I am going to talk about the real heroes of freedom and full history of Indian independence. Dear brothers, as you know very well that before 1947, the British government used to be in India. The British came in India for trade purpose in 1608. Later, they established the East India Company and became more powerful. In 1757, the first military force came in India which was led by Robert Clive and fought against Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah at Plassey Field. Because of Mir Jafar's disloyalty, the British force defeated Nawab. Since then, the dark days of India had started and the East India Company transformed from trader to ruler. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and later the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the East India Company became a political power and ruled separately till 1857. But after 1857 independence battle, the British Crown ruled till 1947 in full power. Then the British Raj ended on 15th